In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Zoom Live Transcript. This handy feature ensures that everyone in your meeting can follow along with what's being said through live captioning, which can be particularly useful in educational settings or for making meetings more accessible to those who are hearing impaired. First, you'll need to navigate to the Zoom website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. When you're ready, head over to your dashboard, where you'll want to start by clicking on My Account. This can usually be found in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking here will take you to your account management page, where you have a variety of settings at your fingertips. The next step is to click on Settings within your account. This section is where you can customize many aspects of your Zoom experience. Once you've clicked on Settings, take a moment to let the page load completely before continuing to the next stage. After entering the settings, click on the Meeting tab. This tab covers all the setting options related to managing video conferences, from security to background noise suppression. Next, look for or navigate to the section labeled In Meeting Whilst to Advanced. This area contains the more specialized features that Zoom offers, including the live transcript settings we're aiming for today. Make sure you click on this section so we can start enabling the transcription features. Within the In Meeting Whilst Advanced settings, you'll see an option that says, Allow everyone, including host, to transcribe meetings with my notes. To enable this feature, simply toggle it on. Remember, this option allows participants as well as hosts the ability to take notes and engage with the transcript, adding an extra layer of interactivity. Progressing further, you'll see two options, manual captions and automated captions. Toggle both of these on to ensure that captions can be added either manually or generated automatically, depending on your preference or specific meeting needs. Manual captions allow a participant to type captions in real time, while automated captions are generated by Zoom's AI. The next setting you want to toggle on is Full Transcript. This option produces a complete text record of everything said during the meeting, which can be very helpful for keeping records or reviewing content later. Continuing down the list, make sure Automated Captions on Device is also toggled on. This setting ensures that the captions generated are compatible across all devices, making it accessible whether participants join from a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Finally, there's the option for Save Captions. By toggling this on, you allow participants to save the transcriptions to their devices. This is incredibly useful for anyone who might need to revisit the discussion or look over important points after the meeting has concluded. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled Zoom's live transcription capabilities. Whether you're facilitating a meeting or participating in one, this feature surely makes communication a bit more seamless and accessible. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy Zooming.